Welcome everyone. Let's get started with our annual assessment tutorial on how to work with outcome, methods, and results tabs in Nuventive. First, we need to go to our Palm Beach State College website, www.pbsc.edu. Then go to the right side in the search bar and write IRE. Enter. Scroll down. Go to Institutional Research and Effectiveness IRE website. Scroll down. Go to Tools and click on Nuventive. Then sign in with your college credentials. You only will see this part, Palm Beach State College. Go to Launch, click on that. Then you will see this is your home page, and you will see here in the arrow that is pointing down all the programs that you are assigned to you. Click on that. We are going to use as a demonstration Business Administration and Management. We have different layouts here. Always this one is the default layout 3/4, which is the best one. You will see in the right pane the tutorials. Go to the 3 lines in the left side. Click on that. Click on the arrow pointing down where it's saying Annual Outcomes Assessment, and go to Outcomes, Methods, and Results. You will see here all the PLOs that belongs to the program that you are going to do the assessment. We call this card. To open this card, you have 2 options. Go to the ellipsis button, click on that and click Open, or double click here and the tab, it will be open for you. The first tab is Outcome. You don't have to do anything with this tab. We are going always to create this tab for you, which contains the PLO short number, the sentence saying that is the PLO 1. Always it will be active, and we are always adding more years for you. Please do not delete the years that is previous. Okay, we are always adding more years. The tab that you are going to work is, the first one is Method of Assessment. Click on that. And to open the card or create a new card, if you are new and you are creating a new method of assessment, you need to go to the plus green sign button that is here in the right side. Click on that and you will create the card that you are going to see right now. If you have a card already created and you need to edit something in this particular year, you can do that, but do not overwrite or do not edit the previous years. Okay? So you are creating your method of assessment. You have here a little reminder, which is your PLO, the first tab that we create for you. If you don't want to see that, you can hide the details by clicking here, and now you have more view. The method of assessment short name is a simple name. This professor is using the lesson 7 discussion. The method of assessment here is a sentence that you are writing for that method of assessment. The course that you are using for that method of assessment, and then the course learning outcome that you are using in this course to do the method of assessment. Achievement target, a little sentence. In this case, she has 85% of students scoring 70% or higher. Method of assessment is active because you are using that method of assessment. If you want to include something that demonstrates that you met the target, the assessment, you can include it. But we recommend do not include students' name or students' IDs. How to do that? Go to the green plus button that is here. Add a document. We created the folder for you. We also created the year for you. Go here to add a file. Go to browse. Look for the folder that you want to include. Open. Save. And then go to that document. Click in the box. And then click attach. And you have your document attached to that method of assessment. If you think, oh, this is not the document that I want here, click the X. Okay? When you finish, save and close. And this is coming back to the third tab, results and analysis. And it's the same. If you are creating a new results and analysis because we are in another year, you need to go here to the green plus sign button and add that. Then it's the same that the second tab. You have your second tab here, what you wrote in your method of assessment. If you don't want to see it, to have a better view, hide details and start writing. Executive summary of results. This is a little executive summary that you saying that you met the target, the lesson that you used, in the course that you use, and the CLOs that you use for that method of assessment. If you met your achievement target, here you have two options: achievement target met or achievement target not met. If you met, click the first one. Then add a year that you are doing this assessment. Number of students assessed, the total of your students. Then only the total of the students that achieved the target. Then you are going to do the analysis of results. You are writing your analysis. If you met the target, you don't need action plan. That's why it's here saying no. But if you need it, click yes. If you don't need it, A, because the system needs to fill all the blanks. Because you don't need achievement or action plan, you don't need to click anything here. This part is if you need action plan. And then you will say a modification of curriculum, modification of assessment, or modification of assessment process. In this case, no action plan required. If you see an A, not applicable. If you want to demonstrate something that you met the target, please do the same, following the instructions to do the steps for add a document. We recommend no student's ID or not student's name. And then the submission day, it will be the day that you are submitting your assessment. Save. And we have a new tool for you. We have the AI. If you see this button here that is trying to load because it's reading what the person wrote here. And it's saying that the first analysis of results is very clear. It has a strength. If you go here, you can see the other recommendation that is doing. Area to refine is telling that it needs to refine this area. But if you don't want to refine because you are saying, I'm good with this, go forward and continue going forward until you finish with your 4 recommendations. Then click the AI and close. And then close again. And start doing the same with the PLO number 2 and the subsequent PLOs. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching this tutorial.